This is Laura from Gardening Know-How, and today I'm going to show you 2 ways to propagate a philodendron from cuttings. Let's get growing. Vining types of philodendron, like the heartleaf variety, tend to get leggy, especially in low light. When vines get too long, you can take cuttings from the plant to grow more. Find a node on the vine, usually near a leaf. There may even be aerial roots starting to grow. Cut just above the node at a 45-degree angle with clean clippers. If you're taking from a leggy plant, your cutting might be too long. You want to root cuttings that are about 5 inches with 2 or 3 leaves. Go ahead and trim your vine to the right length, making sure once again to cut just above the node. Trim off any leaves near the bottom and your cutting is ready to go. The first method to grow new roots is to stick your cuttings in a clean jar of water. Make sure the nodes are fully submerged. Then place your cuttings in indirect sunlight. Change the water every few days, and in a few weeks, you should have new roots that are ready for transplant. You can also root philodendron directly in soil. Prepare a pot with holes in the bottom like you would for any new houseplant. I added stones for extra drainage, then houseplant potting mix, and moisten the soil. This next part is optional, but a fun experiment to try. Instead of using rooting hormone, dip your cuttings in cinnamon before placing them in soil to encourage root growth. Place your plant in indirect sun and keep the soil moist but not wet. In a few weeks, you should see new growth and new roots. Good luck and good gardening.